Welcome. In this tutorial we shall learn how to crop various objects in CorelDRAW. First select the object you want to crop using the pick tool. If no object is selected, then the entire document gets cropped. Now select the crop tool from the toolbox. Select the area you want to crop. You can also change the cropping area by dragging any of the corners. To rotate the cropping area, click inside the area and rotate. Double-click inside the area to perform the crop. Now we shall see the use of knife tool. Knife tool is used to split an object into two different objects. First select the knife tool from the toolbox. Position the knife on the outline of the object where you want to start cutting, and then click on the outline. Now again click on the outline of the object where you want to stop cutting. As you can see, the rectangle is now divided into two separate objects which can be selected separately. Now we shall see the use of eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to remove unwanted areas in a drawing. You can increase or decrease the size of eraser from the property bar. Position your cursor to the area you want to erase. Now click on the one end and drag till the other. Thank you.